By the end of this video, you will get to know how to record a screen with the help of Google Meet. You can record your class meeting, you can record your personal meeting, you can record your one-on-one session, right? Now let's get started without further delay. Now for that to happen, can you see this three dot, top right corner, three dot, right? Click here. The moment when you click here, you need to scroll down and you will be able to see this Meet. Okay, click here. The moment when you click here, this will take you to this interface, right? This is the interface which you're going to see. And all you need to do is click on meeting. Second, the step is similar to your free account. Click here, instant meeting, right? The moment when you click here, right, everything is going to be, the moment when you click here, right, everything is going to be similar, right, as same as it is. Okay, now here is the catch. Can you see this? Bottom right side, 9 dot is there, no meeting tools. Click here. The moment when you click here, you will going to have all the requirements, right? You will going to have all the important, tools available for you. And in that, there is one more tool, which is recording. Click here and get started, right? If you want to add captions in the recording, click here. If you want to add, transcript, click here and select and start recording. The moment when you click here, you will see your entire meeting, your entire classes, is going to be record, right? Click here. Okay, can you see this? Left hand side, it's processing now and it's ready. Okay, so it's getting started, right? The meeting, can you see this? This call is being recorded. Okay, this is how you're going to record your classes. This is how you're going to record your video meeting. And you must be wondering from where you're going to get the access to this meeting. After you close this, for example, I stop this recording. Okay, I'll stop this recording, and after a few minutes, right, after some time, you will have instant access in your drive. Okay, and in that particular drive you can use it, and this will going to look like this. Just wait for a second. You need to open a drive, and this will be reflecting over here in your drive. Can you see this? And you can download it, you can share it. Okay, I will click here. Okay, and can you see this drive? Click here, and as you can see right over here, this is getting opened, right? So your meeting will be reflecting over here after successfully processing. Okay, it is directly shared to your drive, Google Drive. Okay, I hope this is clear now, and I hope you learn something. Now, how are you going to access this? First thing first, you need to understand the requirement. Okay, so the one which you are using, right, the free Google Meet account, the free Google account, in that particular Google Meet, there is not any kind of option to record the meeting, to record your classes. Now, for that to happen, you need to log in to your Google Workspace. Okay, the moment when you go to Google Workspace, Google Workplace allows you to have, this standard business. Like for example, let me select this one for a month, right? This will cost you 1040 rupees per month. Okay, the first 14 days is the trial. You can have the access to all of this for the first 14 days for free of cost. Can you see this? Recording is possible, right? Video meeting with recording, noise cancellation, up to 150 participants, right? And other than that, you are also going to get these many offerings. Okay, so when you have a free subscription for 14 days, you can use Google Meet, right, for free of cost, and you can also record a screen for free of cost, right? Because in that, this option is available, right? Recording a video meeting. Okay, now once you have this, right, you can start a trial for 14 days, and after then, this will going to charge you 1040 rupees. Okay, but that is a different case. Let's get started with this. So hit subscribe, because in this particular channel, I only talk about taking your yoga business online, how to increase your yoga classes batch, how to get maximum out of it, how you can increase your yoga client base, and how you can grow, how you can take your yoga patient online and grow your business, grow your work. Okay, so hit the subscribe button if you want to know that. All right, and also I have a surprise for you in the description. Click the link below. I'll see you on the other side.